Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to our channel Agla Same Schools. Today in this video I will be covering chapter 9 of class 6th of English, that is what happened to the reptiles. So this story says that each person has its own unique importance and role. People in this world often fight and create disturbances in the name of religion. A village, Pambupati, in the story developed a new and different world. There, various people lived together happily in perfect harmony irrespective of any kind of differences. So now let's begin with the very first question. In what way is Pambupati different from any other village? So the answer is, while the people in other villages clashed with one another, people of Pambupati lived in peace. They do not fight in the name of religion or language. In this way, Pambupati is different from any other village. Further, question number 2 says, why is Prem determined not to return to his village? So the answer is, Prem had left his village when the people had gone mad. They set the houses on fire and killed one another. So Prem is determined not to return to his village. Now, question number 3 says, why did Makara dislike tortoise, snakes and lizards? Write a line about each. So the answer is, Makara disliked tortoise because they were slow and stupid. They even carried their houses on their backs. He disliked snakes because they were slimy and made funny noises. Further, Mascara hated lizard because they were undependable because they changed color. So now, question number 4 says, what went wrong when the tortoise, snakes and lizards left the forest? So the answer is, there came a tough time. The forest got filled with foul smell of rotting fruits and fishes in the absence of tortoise. Rats multiplied in the absence of snakes and without lizards. There were millions of insects in the forest. Further, question number 5 says, why do you think Prem wants to tell the story of the reptiles to the people of his village? So the answer is, the people of Prem's village had gone mad. They fought with one another in the name of religion. The story of Pambupati gave a message of peace and coexistence. It underlined the importance of living together. So Prem wanted to carry that message to his own village. Further, moving to our question number 6, which says, do you agree that it is difficult not to go alone with someone who is very strong and powerful? Express your own views frankly and clearly. So the answer is, it is true that the common people are peace-loving and weak. They live in constant fear of the strong and powerful. It is human nature to go with the strong to be on a safe side. But the people also stand up against the bully when they are driven to the wall. They take up arms and fight the enemy successfully. So now, question number 7 says, if you were a baby crocodile, would you tell Makara that he was wrong? What would you say to convince him? So the answer is, as a baby crocodile, I have a privilege to oppose my parents boldly. I would tell the elders that this world is common property of all living creatures. To convince my dad, Makara, that he is wrong, I will give him a couple of reasons. First, it is the duty of the strong to protect the weak and not to harass them. Second, this earth is not the sole property of any one person or animal. All are interdependent. Together, they make this earth a place worth living. So guys, I have covered all the questions of this chapter in this video. I hope you like this video, and if you have any query or any doubt related to any of the questions discussed, please put your query in the comment section below. For more such NCERT solutions, keep watching and do not forget to subscribe our channel Agla Same Schools. And do not forget to wear a mask and take good care of your health.